For YouTube videos thumbnail, you can go for Fonto application. Then after download, press the camera, there is camera logo, then plain images, then go for the background. Then you have to make the custom. There is one ratio is 1 to 80, and the bottom 7 to 720. This is the ratio for we are using for thumbnail. Then we can add image from left side from gallery, then we can fit in the frame. Then there is option is you can make it large or any size. So make sure that your photo fit in there. Then I can choose one more image, then like that, so I can drag that one. Now it looks good. So now if I need to add the text, just click outside of the frame, the black screen, you can see add text. Then when I click, there is text coming. Yes, now I can add the text, anything. So I write motivational quotes. Now I can bring that one to in the frame like that. Then we can make the size also make different, and there is a many option about color, or I can go for change the fonts, stroke, the background. So background is now look like good like that, so it's catchy background. So there is so many colors option also available. This is also looking good. So this is the font, we can change many fonts option available here. So now look like, then after the finish, you can go on the arrow button, that you can go for the arrow button and save images. Then you can check in the gallery, it's down.